Alright, here we go again. I'm not going to be able to finish this install because I got some stuff out for chroming, and one of the parts is the bracket that goes here on these mounting points, and part of this stand bolts right on those mountings there, and the exhaust bracket goes behind, like in between the two. And I did encounter another problem, which nothing to do with the actual center stand. It's more to do with this side of the bike. Originally, well, this is a 94 Softail, and the exhausts were both on the other side, and I've converted it to have the fishtail pipes one on each side. And this bike, for some reason, it didn't have the mounting points here, and I had to drill and tap the new mounting points for the left hand side exhaust bracket. But when I went to put this side, the holes didn't actually line up properly with this. It was just a little bit out, probably 1 millimeter in total. So I couldn't do much about those points, and I had to play with this, unfortunately, just a little bit. So I had to just shave a little bit on both holes, but just on one side, so that these holes would line up properly. It wasn't much, and I've also shaved a little bit of the Allen section. Just took a little bit off it. So this now is able to just give me a little bit of play in order to bolt on, and just like so. I better I'll take this off so I can mount it. And the other thing that I noticed too is this bar is obviously, the stand is for this bike, for this particular model, but I have a feeling that this rod comes in different lengths to accommodate other models, I would imagine, because it's too long. So I'll need to obviously cut it back, but I won't be able to do none of that until I have both brackets of the exhaust and have this mounted, so I can measure the distance and then cut that shaft to suit, because obviously it's too long, and I don't want to cut it and end up with too short or something. I'll just take this off here. There, this goes here. Alright, so basically, and that's where it's going to go. And as I said, once I have the exhaust brackets on the back of it, I can measure this distance between the other side and that, and just cut this shaft to suit. And that's about it. But for now, no more work until I get all this chroming back. Okay, see you later.